Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with weak, fragile nails that seem to chip or peel at the slightest touch, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a close look at Sally Hansen's Advanced Hard as Nails Clear Nail Strengthener, a product that promises to transform your nails into strong, healthy, and shiny beauties. Let's dive into the details. This nail treatment is formulated with a powerful combination of ingredients like nylon, retinol, soy, and omega-3, designed to strengthen and nourish weak nails. The idea behind this product is pretty simple. It's meant to help protect nails from common issues like chipping, splitting, and peeling, while providing a glossy, salon-worthy finish. The treatment acts as both a protective layer and a nail strengthener, working overtime to fortify nails that need some extra care. I've had a chance to test this over several weeks, applying it as both a base coat and a standalone treatment. One of the things I noticed right away is the formula's lightweight texture. It doesn't feel thick or sticky, which is a huge plus for me. After applying, the nails are left with a high-gloss finish that looks very polished. The product dries quickly, which means I wasn't left waiting around for ages to move on to the next step of my manicure. In terms of performance, I did notice a visible difference in my nails' strength after about a week of consistent use. My nails felt noticeably harder, and I didn't experience as much chipping or cracking as I normally would, especially during my day-to-day activities. That's a big win in my book. The product is also gentle enough to use on fragile nails, which is important if you've been dealing with thin, soft nails that break easily. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this treatment is incredibly easy to use, and I love how quickly it dries. It provides a beautiful, shiny finish that helps seal and protect your nails, and I definitely saw fewer chips and splits in my nails as the weeks went by. Plus, the inclusion of nourishing ingredients like retinol and soy gives it that extra layer of skincare-inspired goodness. However, I have to mention that if you're looking for a super heavy-duty treatment to repair nails that are severely damaged, this might not be enough on its own. It strengthens and protects, but you might want to layer it with more intense treatments if your nails need major restoration. When it comes to value for money, I would say it's reasonable. At its price point, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a solid, everyday nail strengthener. The ingredients are high quality, and Sally Hansen is a brand that delivers on its promises, especially when it comes to nail care. In comparison to similar products on the market, Sally Hansen's Advanced Hard as Nails stands out thanks to its versatile use. It can be worn alone for strength or as a base coat under nail polish. There are other treatments that focus on nail growth or repairing splits, but few deliver the combination of protection and shine that this one does. As for build quality, I haven't noticed any issues with the packaging or consistency of the formula. It's easy to apply, and the bottle is durable enough to last several uses without any breakage or leaks. Now, if you're on the fence about this treatment and looking for alternatives, there are other nail strengtheners out there, but most of them don't offer the same level of shine and protection. If you're willing to splurge a little more, there are options with added nail growth benefits. But for the price, this product does a great job of fortifying nails and preventing everyday wear and tear. To wrap up, Sally Hansen's Advanced Hard as Nails Clear Nail Strengthener is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve nail strength and overall health without a complicated routine. It does exactly what it says on the bottle: strengthens and protects, leaving nails with a beautiful shine. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.